Hello everyone. We are going to see about how to interface servo motor with Raspberry Pi. Servo motor is used in various applications like robotics, and wherever there is a movement required, servo motor can be used to create the angular rotation or movement. Servo motor can give displacement of 90 degree in clockwise, 90 degree in anti-clockwise, or 180 degree in clockwise directions. Let's see how to interface servo motor with Raspberry Pi. It is having 3 pins: white. White color indicates the data input to the servo motor. It is controlled by PWM signal generated by the Raspberry Pi. Red color wire indicates supply to the servo motor. We can supply 5 volt from Raspberry Pi to this servo. Black color wire indicates ground pin. It should be connected to the ground pin of Raspberry Pi. I am connecting ground pin now. Third pin of second row is ground. I am connecting there. I am connecting 5 volts wire now. First pin of second row is 5 volt in Raspberry Pi. I am interfacing this data input pin in BCM2. Now our connections are over. Let us write a Python code to interface servo motor with Raspberry Pi. Import servo module from GPIO0 library. Import sleep module from time library. Create an object called servo. Mention the BCM pin number inside the brackets. I am going to interface servo at BCM2, so I am mentioning 2 here. Make a continuous loop using while control statement. Generate PWM signal with minimum pulse width. If you generate PWM signal with minimum pulse width, servo motor will rotate in anti-clockwise up to 90 degree. This code will make servo motor again to rotate 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction. This code will make servo motor to rotate 180 degree in clockwise direction. Our coding is completed. Let's run the program. It's rotating in clockwise as well as in anti-clockwise direction. By using this, you can develop any robot or any movement based embedded systems.